Welcome back to Mindset to Success. We've talked about financial intelligence and ways to improve it. But sometimes, avoiding mistakes is just as important as making smart moves. Today, let's go over 5 common financial mistakes that keep people broke and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Nearly 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. The solution? Build an emergency fund and cut unnecessary expenses. Mistake number 2. Not investing early. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is your best friend. Mistake number 3. Relying on one income source. Multiple income streams provide financial security. Consider side hustles or passive income sources. Mistake number 4. Ignoring credit and debt. High-interest debt drains your finances. Always pay off high-interest loans first. Mistake number 5. No financial planning. Without a financial plan, money disappears quickly. Set financial goals and track your progress. If you've made these mistakes, don't worry. You can turn things around. Keep learning and applying financial intelligence, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who need this advice.